Princess T. Princess T. What? Guess what?
Bye-bye, Mr. Gummy Bear. Go for a swim.
Whee!
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess Team.
Hi, Prince and Princess, Princess Pham.
Today we have a science experiment.
Yep, we're gonna be doing the Gummy Bear Science Experiment. Okay, let's take a look at everything we need for our experiment. So here, I have some colorful gummies, yum yum yum. I also have some vinegar, salt, Sprite, water, and some cups.
Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna test some gummy bears.
Is it yummy?
It is yummy.
Awesome. So what we're really going to be learning about in this science experiment is about osmosis. But first, let's get started on our science experiment. Okay, so we're going to fill up these cups with different types of liquid. You want to guess which one of them is, Princess T?
Water.
Yep, that's
All right.
correct.
So I'm gonna fill this up with water right here. Not right here? Next, I do Sprite.
Yep.
All right. But before I fill it up, let's taste the Sprite. It's good to go.
Oh.
Let's fill that up right there. And then the next one was salt? Like salt only?
It's going to be salt water.
Oh,
Yep,
okay.
so you're going to add some salt and then
And
we're going to
some
add
water.
some water. Yep.
Got my salt, so I'm gonna pour it in. Tell me when to stop.
I say a little more and a little more and a lot more, and then that's good right there.
Okay, and then I'm gonna add me water.
And after you're done with that, I will mix. All right, let's get to mixing.
Mix.
We're gonna mix so that the salt dissolves in the water.
You should try to taste this one, Princess Pham.
Yuck! No, thank you. Then next, we're gonna fill a cup with vinegar, but you may need to ask a parent for help because vinegar, they don't smell so good. Okay, here we go. Let's pour some in our cup. And I think that looks good.
Now that we have our solution poured out, let's go ahead and add our gummy bears.
Yep.
So, first up is water right here. So, what color do you want to add to the water?
I say let's add this really pretty light blue
my
color.
favorite color.
Here you go.
Okay. Bye-bye, Mr. Gummy Bear. Go for a swim.
Whee! Up next, we have our Sprite. Okay, let's see which gummy bear color should I choose. I think I'm gonna go with yellow. Okay, let's go over here and put it right in the middle. Whoopsie!
This is the salt water. So which unlucky fellow is gonna be swimming in the salt water?
Ooh, I say let's go with this red one.
Go ahead and put it in.
Okay, let's put it in the salt water.
And last but not least, this is actually the unlucky gummy bear that goes in the vinegar. Ooh. So who is it, Princess Pham? Who's coming in?
I think I'm gonna have to go with this green one. It's my least favorite color.
Okay, Mr. Green Gummy Bear. Good luck. Now we wait 4 hours.
So now we're gonna see what happens when we leave it in for 4 hours. So I say it's a good time to make a guess. Which one's gonna be the biggest, which is gonna retain more water, and which ones will become the smallest?
Oh, that's a hard guess. So remember, our choices are water, Sprite, salt water, and vinegar. Retain the most. Retain the most.
It's like drinking a bunch of water, and then you blow up like a blowfish.
I'm gonna say, okay, at the same time, we'll say our answer.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Water! I said salt water. We'll see.
Okay. Well, then which one do you think is gonna be the smallest? Because I was gonna say salt water for the smallest.
I'm gonna say vinegar.
Oh.
It's just a wild guess.
Okay.
We will see in 4 hours. In the meantime, you can do some jumping jacks, you can do some stretches, you can take a nap, you can open some toys, you can eat lots and lots of gummies in 4 hours.
No,
but I don't suggest you do that. And if you eat some gummies, remember to brush your teeth What else can you do in 4 hours? You can run outside and play hide and seek.
You can do your homework.
You can, what else? What else can you do? You can do your hair.
Oh, I know. You could eat some pizza or some hamburgers.
Let's just say you can do a lot in 4 hours. So we'll see you guys back in 4 hours. Make sure you keep an eye out on our science experiments.
It looks like I ate most of this up. Princess T! Princess T!
What?
Guess what? It's been 4 hours!
You ate all my gummies! I was gonna take a nap and wake up and eat some gummies, but you ate it all!
No, there's still some left. But anyways, that's not the most important thing. Check out our gummies.
Oh, they're giants! Whoa, I can already kind of tell by looking at the regular size one right here versus the one soaked in the solution. I say we take it out to see what's going on.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, remember to ask a parent for help if you can't take it out. I'm gonna be using chopsticks, but you can use whatever to take it out, but remember to be careful not to squish it. Whoa!
It's super
It's slippery. Okay, hold on, let's see. I'm just gonna take this one out. So this is the one that's in water. Let me just flip. Let me try to flip Mr. Gummy. Okay, so this is the one that's in water. Now I'm gonna take this yellow one out right here. This is the one that's in Sprite. I may have to take this Sprite over here.
That's a good idea.
And just scoop it out. Okay, so that's the Sprite one. And now we have the one in salt water. Oh, that one was kind of easy to take out. And then last but not least, we have this one here that's in our vinegar. Oh, bloop. Okay, there we go. So now let's put our regular gummies next to the one that was soaked in the solution. So we have the yellow, the red,
blue, and the green.
So now let's compare. According to my observation, so here we have the yellow one, which was put inside the Sprite. It is bigger than the regular size yellow one. And here we have the salt water that was red. And this is the regular and the one inside the salt water. I think it actually stayed the same or got a little smaller. What do you guys think?
I have to say that one got a little smaller. Okay, let's check out what I have here. So here is the blue one. This one was in regular water. This is the normal one, and this was the one after we soaked it in
giant.
Well, it definitely got more giant. And then this one here, we have the vinegar, we have the dry one, and this one got a little bit bigger, but not quite as big as the one that was in the water.
So I think the biggest one is the one in the water. So you're right there. The smallest one is the one inside the salt. You're right again.
2 points.
But looking at this here, let's take a closer look. I think this yellow one is bigger. So maybe the Sprite one is the second biggest.
Yep.
And then the one in vinegar is the third biggest. And like I said, the smallest one is the one soaked in salt water. That was super duper fun.
That was, but maybe next time we could do it overnight.
Yeah, maybe they'll get like super giant.
Yeah, that's a good way. Maybe I should gift you a giant gummy bear. I don't have to buy a
It'll
gummy
be
bear.
like super giant.
Yeah.
Oh, but you know what, Princess Pham? How come this happens? Like, what's going on? What's the scientific explanation for this?
Well, let me tell you how. This happens from a process called osmosis, which is movement of a solvent through a semi-permeable membrane into a solution of higher solute concentration that tends to equalize the concentrations of solute on both sides.
Say what? I know words are coming out of your mouth, but what does that even mean?
All you gotta remember is osmosis when someone asks you. It's just the movement of water molecules.
Osmosis. That's
Yeah.
a funny word. Osmosis. I kind of like that word. Osmosis.
Now can you spell it?
O-S-O-M-O-M-O-M-O-M-O.
That is incorrect, but you were close.
How do you spell it?
O-S-M-O-S-I-S. Yeah.
You would know that. Osmosis, you guys. Okay, that's the end of today's science experiment.
If you like more science experiment, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses.
Bye. Osmosis.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi, Prince and Princesses. It's Princess Team.
Hi, Princess Pham.
Today we have another science experiment for you guys.
It's called the Coca-Cola and Candy Science Experiment.
Princess Pham, what are we doing with all of these candies? Are we gonna eat it?
Well, you could try it, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in some Diet Coke and we're gonna make a reaction.
Ooh, I can't wait. I wonder which one of these candies will make the best reaction.
We're gonna find out. First, let's check out everything we need for our experiment. So here, we have a beaker, we have some Diet Coke, we have a bunch of different candies, and we also have some cups.
Let's go over all of our candy choices that will go in my tummy later. We have some Mentos. I think this is the gum version. We also have some Nerds, some regular Mentos. We have some Smarties in heart shape, Skittles, and Gummy Worms. I mean, Gummy Bears. Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. Okay, so what is your guess? Which one is gonna cause the most reaction? I'll let you choose first.
I'm gonna say the Nerds.
Ooh, that's a good choice. But I'm gonna go with the Mentos.
Good old Mentos.
Okay, first we're gonna start by measuring out 150 milliliters of Diet Coke for each candy. Ooh, be careful, there's a bunch of bubbles. I think that's about good. Now let's put it in our other cup.
We're gonna do this for all the cups. So let's keep going.
Let's keep going.
All done. Now time to eat.
No, now it's time to add the candy into our Diet Coke.
But I'll eat the leftovers?
Sure, if it gets stuck in there, you can have some.
Okay, alrighty. So now we have 6 different Diet Coke and 6 different candies. What do you want to do first?
I want to try maybe these heart sweet tarts. I've never tried that one before.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's see if
Should I put the whole thing in?
Yep, do the
Okay.
whole thing.
Let's see. Woo!
Hey, there was a little bit of a reaction, not much, but there was no overflow.
No, but that's also because some of it got stuck in here.
Oh no, you gotta put in the whole thing to keep all the factors the same.
It won't come out.
This might be when you need a parent's help. Oh, looks like you got it.
I got it. Here we go.
Whoa! Look, there's no more fizz left.
I mean, I would say there was a reaction, but there wasn't that much of a reaction.
Just a baby one.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say?
I would say a 2.
Okay. How about we try the Nerds next?
Ooh, I think that one is definitely gonna have a good reaction. Okay, let's pour it in right here. Whoa! Hey! Okay, so let's see how long it goes for. It's still going, slightly.
Look, the bottom is so pretty. Check it out. All the Nerds.
Yep, and there's just a few floating right there.
I would say that was a good reaction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
still no overflow, but it is a little bit more than the sweetheart one. So,
What should we try next, you guys? Take a peek. Let's see. Let's go with Skittles.
ooh,
Taste the
Skittles.
rainbow.
I don't think that's gonna have much of a
Alright,
reaction.
let's try. You never know. Hey, that was like a baby one.
That was like 1 second, and that was it. Okay, so far I think
Maybe the. Oh, look! It's still happening. Look at that.
still going.
It's still going.
That's pretty impressive. Ooh,
Hey.
it's still going.
It's still going. Huh.
Okay, so it looks like the.
What about gummy bears?
Oh, the gummy bears. Okay,
But I think we're gonna need help getting this out. Hold on.
most definitely.
So this is when you need a parent's help. I'm just gonna use this stick here. Oh my gosh, it's like stuck in here, Princess Pham.
It's super sticky.
Yes, it's super sticky.
Wait, I have an idea.
Come out, come out.
Have no fear, Princess Pham is here.
You have gummies in your pocket and you were hiding it from me this whole time.
Yep, these were the extra ones. So I'm gonna put it in this one right here. Let's see what happens when we put the gummies in. Anything?
A little fizz. No?
Oh.
That's it. I guess now I can eat these later. They're gonna be gummies soaked in Diet Coke.
I think there are actually flavored Coke gummies.
Ooh, I'm excited to
We
try.
just made our own. Okay,
Mhm.
alright, so that one is definitely the least. Now for the Mentos. We have two different Mentos, the original and the gums.
Let's try to do the gum first, and we'll save this one for last.
Yeah.
All right, so let's pour this in and see what happens. Oh, there is a reaction. Like real fast.
Whoa!
It's still going on. Hold on.
Yeah, there's still some reaction. If you look really, really, really close, there's definitely some carbon dioxide
Yep.
coming to the top.
Still going on. Yep.
That wasn't as much as I expected, but it's still going.
It's still going on.
I think that's it.
Hey, look, this gummy one's like kind of bubbling up. Do you see
it is. But I don't actually see any bubbles on the top. That's very interesting.
But it's hopping around. Huh.
It's popping.
It's popping. Okay, you do the Mentos.
Okay. This one has to have an overflow.
Mhm.
It has to.
Just make room for it over here.
Let me open this one up, and we're just gonna put in the whole.
Maybe like take it all out.
All
So
of
it's
it?
easier, yeah. So you can like throw it in there. It might get stuck.
Oh! It's super bouncy. All right, here we go. And in you go. What? There's still not an overflow, but there is a good amount of layer of bubbles on the top. So let's see how long this goes on for.
Let's take a closer look at all of our experiments. So this is the end result. Here we have our Smarties. We have Nerds,
We also have,
Skittles.
and we have our original Mentos. This is our gum Mentos. And this one here is our gummy.
It's still jumping.
It is. Okay, so now let's see
Which one had the most reaction and the least reaction?
I want to say the least had to be
The gummy.
the gummies.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then
The
the
most?
most is probably either.
The Skittles or the Mentos, right?
Yeah, the Skittles actually lasted for a very long
Yeah,
time.
it surprised me. So one of the two, but maybe
Yeah.
the Mentos. It didn't last as long, but I feel like there was a large layer of foam.
Yeah, there was a big reaction at the beginning. So let's go with this one being the most and,
And this one being the least. What do you guys think? Try this experiment at home and let us know what you think.
Princess Toy Review.
Hi Prince and Princesses, it's Princess Team.
Hi, Princess Princess, Princess Pham.
Today we're going to be doing a science experiment.
It's called the baking soda and vinegar experiment with gummy worms.
Lots and lots and lots of gummy worms.
Whoa. Okay, so besides the gummy worms, we're also gonna need a few more household ingredients. So here we have some vinegar.
And gummy worms.
Oh, and we also have some measuring cups.
And gummy worms.
And gummy worms, and a bowl.
And gummy worms.
And a cup. And what do you have over there?
I have gummy worms.
Ay, ay, ay.
And baking soda. And some water. And gummy worms. They're the best. Let's get started by eating some gummy worms. Right, Princess Pham?
No, we need the gummy worms for our science
You
experiment.
mean I can't eat it yet?
Not yet. I was actually proactive before our science experiment started, and I cut our gummy worms in halves, but if you have the really big ones, you could cut them in thirds. Okay, so I'm just gonna put our friends down here for now. We're gonna actually start by measuring 1 cup of warm water.
Okay. I'm gonna pour the water in. Okay.
Awesome, we're gonna put it into our bowl.
And then we are going to add some baking soda.
Yeah, we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So I'm going to get 1 scoop, 2 scoops, and 3. And next, for the fun part, you mix it. So I'm just going to use my measuring spoon, and I'm going to mix Ooh, check out my water. It's getting quite cloudy.
Princess Pham, if that's your definition of fun, I would like to know what your definition of boring is. Because my definition of fun is eating gummy worms.
Well, I really hope you brush your teeth afterwards or else you might get cavities. This, on the other hand, does not create cavities.
I brush my teeth later. Ugh, I'm about to fall asleep.
It's only been a couple of seconds of me mixing.
I know, but this is so fun.
Well, I actually think I'm all done mixing, so do you want to help me for the next
Yes,
step?
what can I do? Eat some gummy worms?
Well, not exactly. I want to have you add the gummy worms into my mixture here.
Okay, all of them?
All of them. Let's
All
do
right.
all of them.
So, let's peel it off the plate. There's one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, come off. My gummy worm friends are stuck. 2. Oh no. 3.
They're quite sticky.
And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 gummy worms.
Whoa! Awesome. So we have all of our gummy worms in here now, and we're gonna let it sit for 15 whole minutes.
What are we gonna do for 15 minutes while we wait?
We're gonna take a nap, and we're gonna dream about our worms.
No, I'm gonna eat some gummy worms.
You look very entertained over there.
I'm playing with my gummies.
Oh, well, guess what? It's been 15 minutes.
Ooh, finally.
Yeah, so now we're gonna go on to the next step of our science experiment.
Eat gummies?
No, eating gummies. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a cup of vinegar, and when I say a cup, we could just use this cup and fill it.
Okay.
All right. So again, you may need to ask the parents' permission for this.
Ooh, cause it does not smell good.
No, it does not. But before we add on the gummy worms, I have a question for you.
Yes?
Do you think the gummy worms are gonna sink, or do you think it's gonna float?
They're kind of heavy. I think they're gonna sink.
That's a very good hypothesis. But it has been sitting in baking soda. So we'll see what happens when we add it in.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and get some utensils to add into our vinegar. I got my utensils.
Don't throw that at me. Put it in there.
Okay, so I'm going to pick up one of our gummy worm friends, and whoa, it's really slippery. I think it's alive already. All right, here we go.
Oh my goodness, do you have this?
I think I do. Okay, let's add it in and let's see what's gonna happen.
Oh, it's sinking.
Whoa!
And
Check
it
out all
bubbles.
those bubbles. Look, it's alive. You see, it's coming up. No, and now it is too. I'm gonna add more.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, okay, so you see all of those bubbles. They are picking up our gummy worms, and they are going to start coming up. See? Look at this one. This one kind of looks like it's kind of trying to come up.
It's alive! It's alive!
It's alive! Okay, I'm gonna add more.
Ooh. Oh, check that one out. It is like creeping over here, like squiggling around.
Ooh, this is a little scary. I'm gonna add one more just for fun. Oh no, it's getting kind of cloudy and hard to see.
There's not much happening, Princess Pham. I mean, I know it's moving around a little bit, but
Yeah, I kind of expected it to be more alive.
I know.
But you know what?
What?
I think I have a solution. I'm gonna add more baking soda, because really what's happening is the baking soda is reacting with the vinegar. So let's see what happens when we add more baking soda.
Whoa!
Whoa! Okay, we definitely get a reaction.
Oh!
Whoopsie! I made a mess, but hey, look! The worms are alive now. Look!
They're moving! They're floating! Oh! They're alive!
Whoa, that's super cool. It looks like they are floating. They're kind of wiggling around. You can see all the bubbles surrounding our gummy worms. Awesome!
Like, it's moving and turning over there. Oh, it's alive, you guys. The worms. I mean, that was kind of cool. It didn't turn out the way we expected it to, but we made it work.
Yeah, and that's what's great about science experiments. You can always add things to try to make a better reaction.
Or try it again. So that's the end of today's science experiment.
If you like more science experiment, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, Prince and Princesses.
Bye.